If you're looking for a landed property to buy, the location, the land configuration, and the price points are important considerations. Well, look no further. I can't wait to show you this tropical gem waiting to be discovered. Hi, my name is Stephanie Leung, and I am an agent with OrangeTee and Thai AAG. Welcome to West Coast Park. This 2-story, 5-bedroom semi-detached has a frontage of 15 meters with a depth of 30 meters on a land size of 4,336 square feet. It's quietly located in a cul-de-sac street that is serene. You can hear the birds. Safe and very green. It has a land tenure balance of 862 years. This charming home embodies tropical living, and I love it for its 2 very special, unique features. What you see now is an ordinary house with a spacious car porch and a beautiful front garden. But wait till I show you what those 2 very unique features are. Inside, you have approximately 3,500 square feet of built-in area divided into 2 floors. The luxury of space welcomes you once you step into this home. A living room full of light for comfortable family gathering, and a separate indoor dining room great for family meals. There is also this awesome entertainment or music room with doors that can be closed for privacy. There is also a granny room with ensuite and a common bathroom for guests. So here's the first unique feature of this property. Check out the fabulous chef's kitchen. Decked with a big island for prepping and entertaining, it also features 2 ovens and all the appliances to make cooking a breeze. If you love to cook and entertain, can you imagine yourself cooking and interacting with friends and family over this kitchen island? What's the other unique feature? Well, stay with me and I'll reveal to you shortly. Let's go upstairs. Immerse in this large master bedroom with lots of walking space, wardrobe, and a renovated ensuite bathroom. As this property sits on elevated land, the views from your windows is unblocked and private. This junior suite also features another big room that fits a large bed and study with another spacious bathroom many would be envious of. And that's not all. There's 2 other good-sized bedrooms with desk area that shares this renovated bathroom. Now, are you ready for me to show you the hidden gem of this property? Its most unique feature? Well, come with me. Check out this beautifully landscaped tropical garden, outdoor patio, and a swimming pool. Great for lazy days, barbecues, play dates, and dinner parties. This family spent lots of relaxing time here. And it's no wonder why, because the space is so chilled. Can you imagine coming home from work and unwinding in this gorgeous space? And if you're a family with young kids, it's good to know this house is within 1 kilometer of Nanhua, Clementi, and Chifa primary schools. Also close to international schools, UWC, Dulwich, Tanglin Trust, Canadian and Japanese schools. And super easy access to AYE and PIE too. If you love nature, we're just 6 kilometers to West Coast Park and a few bus stops away to Clementi MRT and the shopping haven of JAM, Westgate and J-Cube shopping malls. Get in touch with me today at 9137-0213 for an exclusive home tour. Once again, this is Stephanie Leung from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Group.